Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. Turning off your active status lets you use Facebook without showing others when you're online or recently active. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Sign in to your Facebook account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click the Messenger icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click the three dots at the top of the Messenger panel. From the menu, select Active Status. A settings window will appear. Turn off the toggle next to Show when you're active. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice. Click Save or Turn Off to apply the changes. Your active status will now be disabled and other people won't be able to see when you're online or recently active. Keep in mind that when you turn off your active status, you also won't be able to see when your friends are active. You can turn active status back on at any time by following the same steps and enabling the toggle. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off active status on Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips, social media tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.